Oh.
So I've been set a little bit of a mini challenge to grow some giant vegetables along with one of the other plot holders on the site. I've got 2 giant cabbage and 1 giant cucumber to grow. So what I'm going to do with these, as I've seen via Google, the cabbage needs to be about 1 centimetre deep, so I'm going to poke a little hole there. Could use my finger, but I'm keeping my fingers a bit clean today. Just a little hole in the middle there, and that one will be for the giant cucumber. That one goes a little bit deeper. That's supposed to be 2 centimetres deep. These 2 about 1 centimetre deep. So these are the seeds I've got. Gave me by Dave from the allotment. So let's have a look at them, see what they look like. Empty that carefully in case they're really small. So what have we got? So we've got that one there, which is a cucumber, and 2 little ones there are the giant cabbage. So I'm going to put 1 cabbage into there, another cabbage into there, tiny little one there, and then the cucumber in the hole. That has to be flat. It's fairly flat, that's fine. And then just going to grab a bit more compost. For this experiment, I'm using John Innes seed sowing compost. So grab myself another handful. So just to fill the hole. A bit more on there, on there. Oop, missed the bug. Just pat it down ever so slightly. Ready for a bit of water. So just put a bit of water on the top of the seeds, and I'm going to top them off with a bit of vermiculite. A bit more on that one. Last of all, make sure you label them. A few more seeds I've got put in, my missus would like, is the Atlantic giant pumpkin. So just in case one fails, I'll put 2 in each of these 2 pots. So I've actually got 4 growing. Last but not least, a bit of water over the vermiculite. Done it in a water bath as well, so I don't get water spraying everywhere. Water on these. All done. Lastly, I've put all the seedlings inside one of my propagators to help keep the temperature regulated, and I've left the vent open for now.